I've printed the wreath onto a lightweight cardstock and cut it out. Now using an embossed ink pad, I'm pouncing all over the wreath, and make sure you get a lot of ink on here. That way the embossing powder will adhere to it. So now I've got that ink all stamped onto the actual image. And the product that we're using today is an ultra thick embossing enamel. It's clear and made by Ranger. On the ultra thick embossing enamel, the granules are much larger. They almost resemble a granulated sugar. And once you sprinkle this onto the wreath, you'll see here when I just actually shake the excess off, it's not completely covered. And this is the effect that you're looking for, because once these granules are melted, it's going to give the effect of little drops of water. Okay, so now I've got everything sprinkled on there, and I've hit it with the heat gun, and this is what the first pass looks like. So you can see you've just got little drops on here, and although it looks nice, I think I'd like to add just another coat of embossing powder. So I'll just take the stamp pad again, just pounce all over, add another layer of embossing powder, and here you can see the finished product. I've cut out two mats, one slightly larger than the other. The green one is the base, and I did not cut the center out of that one. The middle piece is a brick red, and I did cut the center out of that one. And then on top will be the wreath. Now when I assembled my project, I used a double-sided foam tape and put it in between each layer for a more dimensional effect. And you can see a candle fits perfectly in the center of this. And here's a close-up so you can see the effect a little bit clearer. Another example where the center has been cut out of both mats. And this would look perfect on a Thanksgiving table. Here are a few other examples that we've made using this template. As you can see, it works perfect for a scrapbooking page. And we've also used another template from the Autumn Splendor template pack. All these images were printed out at 7 inches, with the exception of the scrapbook page, which was printed at 10 inches. To see how these wreaths were made, check our website for a video tutorial.